Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Actually, this series we are doing reasoning test come practice. Okay, so this complete series we are at present we are doing practice come test. Okay, so this will be a test series. So anybody who wants some basic class, just kindly go through the description box. I have just given some video link. You can click it out. Okay. First question, in a certain code language, the disturb, okay, the word disturb is written as DTWVUKF. How will be the word frantic will be written in that code language? I'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute. No. So actually you have to solve within 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take as a test. Have you got the answer? Shall you move on to the answer key and solution? Okay, the questions whichever I am taking is very important questions. Most often repeated, frequently repeated questions in any aptitude exams, in any reasoning, any competition exam. This is very important. The next one, the answer key what I have given is just you can read the answer key. Disturb is written as DTWVUKF. What they have done is the DTWVUKF just they have reversed. Either you can reverse the disturb, okay, just you can write the disturb in the reverse order and write as that one, or write disturb as it is, then is coded as DTWVUKF. That one you can write in the reverse order. So what is the reverse order of DTWVUKF? FKUVWTD. Now once you observe, just I am going to read column wise. Okay, I am going to read column wise in the solution. DEF IJK SISTU TUV UVW RST BCD. So you can understand just one letter gap. Okay, DEF IJK one letter gap. Now you can get the idea. Either you can reverse frantic in the reverse way, or no problem, write frantic as it is. Go for just leave one letter gap. After finding the answer, just reverse the answer. That is the way, another way to do that. Okay, now I am writing the word frantic. So frantic, just I am going to read column wise. FGH RST ABC NOP TUV IJK CDE. So just the answer what I am getting is HTC PVKE, but you have to reverse this one. So EKVPCHT. Next question. If this is analogy question, but letter series question. Okay, CH is decoded as if CH becomes DCK, what will become WVD? If CH becomes DCK, if CH is converted to DCK, which word or which three letters alphabets will be converted to WVD? Your time starts now. This particular question I can give only 30 seconds time. 30 seconds time starts now. Have you got the answer? Shall you move on to the answers? Yes. Very good. You have got the answer. It's very happy because usually alphabet letter series everyone will get the right answer. Simple one. Okay. So the question is CHDCK, which will become WVD. C's next alphabet is D. No gap between them. E's previous alphabet is D, and then again previous alphabet is C. E is going in the reverse order. One letter is left out. H I J K. Now H is going in proper order, but two letters alphabets are left out. So in the same way, once you do this, what you will get is VXA. You will get VXA. W here previous letter, for V it goes in the reverse order. Okay, V goes in reverse order. The next D, now D you have to go in again the previous order. Okay, fine. So answer is WVXA. Okay, the next question. In a certain language, row a boat is coded as 947, boat in water is coded as 415, boat sunk in water is coded as 1654. How is sunk coded in the same language? I'll wait for 30 seconds. Actually, this question can be solved in 15 seconds. Okay, shall we discuss the answer? Yes. How to do this? So write this left hand side in as a statement, right hand side numbers with some gaps. Compare the first and second. When you compare first and second, you will get the idea boat is 4, because in the first statement, second statement, boat is common in the left hand side, and in the first right hand side, 4 is common in the right hand side. So boat is 4. And now once you compare second and third, boat in water and boat sunk in water is there. Actually, once you observe, boat in water is 415, boat sunk in water is 1654. That same 415 they have given in some what you call, they have just shuffled the numbers 415. But once you observe that in the left hand side, sunk is the only word which is being added extra. So what is the only one number which is coming extra there is 6. So sunk is coded as 6. Very simple, because sunk is the only word which is added there, then 6 is the only number which is coming there. Okay, next question. Complete the sequence BFI MPT dash dash. I'll wait for 2 minutes. BFI MPT dash dash. Okay, shall we discuss the answer? Okay, the answer is WA. Very simple question. Okay, let us see the logic. B and F, C, D, E, 3 alphabets are missing. 3 letter gaps are there. F and I, G and H alphabets are missing. So 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, like that it goes. First 3 letter gap, next to 2 letter gap. Next first 3, next to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, like that it goes. So answer should be WA, because T is the ending word there, ending letter there. So next to UV will be missing, then W will come. After W, to 3 alphabets should be missing. X, Y, Z, then A. Okay, hopefully you would enjoy this session. Okay, next we will be seeing seating arrangement. Okay, thanks for watching this video.